Hey everyone, it's Kathleen from Relatively Refined. We have heard from many of you that you are interested in seeing more room tours of our houses, and especially how we use the thrifted or pre-loved items that we've gathered across the years in our own homes, which are many. A couple of weeks ago, I shared with you a home tour, a before and after tour of the room that I'm sitting in now, our living and dining room area of our Vermont farmhouse that we have spent the last 5 years renovating. It's a special home. It was our grandmother's home on my father's side, and we have spent time and energy and lots of sweat equity in here bringing this beautiful old home back to life. So today's video is a room tour of the kitchen, which opens up into a family room. When my grandmother lived here, the kitchen was in the same place. We kept the kitchen where the kitchen was, and we tried to do little things along the way to honor her. She always had wallpaper in her kitchen, and so we decided to use wallpaper in our kitchen as well. The room that I am about to show you, though, did have a pretty major transition. It was a kitchen which opened up into her bedroom, a downstairs bedroom and bath. We opened up that entire space to make it more of a kitchen and living area. So it did have a significant change. But we uncovered beautiful floors underneath and were able to bring those back to life and really make the kitchen living area comfortable and functional for our own family. So you will see some before footage, and I will walk you through that. And then you will see the after footage of the completed renovation of the kitchen and family room. Here is the before. You can see the floors were in rough shape, but we were able to bring those back to life. We kept the windows where they originally were. We just opened up the space. And you can see here, one of the first things I bought was this gas stove. So there it is, waiting to be put in place. And this is where it ended up going, in between the two windows. So really, this is not a look of the before, but the during. And so now, let's take a look at the after. As we walk into the family room, this is the room that used to be my grandmother's bedroom. We tore down the wall into the kitchen to open this space up into one larger room. Almost everything in this room is either thrifted or from the marketplace, Facebook Marketplace, or from estate sales. The couch, these two more sort of mid-century modern chairs, the ottoman, all from Marketplace. Even the stove, that was the first purchase that I made for this room, was from Facebook Marketplace. You can see the floors all brought back to life. The placement of the doors and the windows remain the same. We just replaced the windows with newer, more efficient windows, but the same style, 2/2. The lamp is a Simon Pierce lamp, a gift from my mom. The artwork was from a tag sale, with the exception of the barn painting. My son actually painted that for me one Christmas. The coffee table, it was a card table with the legs cut down to make it a coffee table, was from a tag sale. The rug, this rug I actually did purchase new from probably TJ Maxx, but you can see layered in is the sheep skin throw. The little gas stove was the first item that I purchased from Marketplace for this room. These two sort of mid-century modern chairs were a Facebook Marketplace find, as was the stuffed cube ottoman, which we use as either extra seating or almost like a side table. The TV area, the wood behind there was actually salvaged from the wall that we tore down. And we were able to sand it and use it as a backdrop for these built-in shelves, which many of the items in here are the fun little thrift finds that I've picked up over the years. It's a great place to display those items and to switch them out with the seasons. As I said, my grandmother always had wallpaper in her kitchen. So this was the first time that I had used wallpaper in my house, and I love it. This is a look at the kitchen from that living area. My husband was able to do all of the work himself. He is a builder by trade. So everything in the kitchen, the cupboards and all of that are custom. The hood vent is that same wood that we salvaged from the wall that we tore down. It gives it a nice warm, that honey-colored wood plays off from the floor and also gives it really warms the space. These rugs are all from, I believe these are from estate sales. Some of them were actually part of that. I found one that was like 5 rugs for $100. Even the refrigerator was purchased from Manchester Marketplace. The glass cupboard, we only have one upper cupboard, but does display dishes, many of which are thrifted, including those green glasses that you can see up on the upper left. There are 3 hanging light fixtures, 2 over the island and 1 over the sink, that were all purchased from the marketplace. My little pig cookie jar was a thrift shop find. Actually, even the tile that we used, the subway tile, was purchased from an estate sale. But there you get a closer look at that warm, honey-colored wood vent hood. Over in the coffee area, there is a Simon Pierce bowl with fruit in it, and another cupboard where I keep many of the dishes that I collect from thrift shops. I didn't open this up, but sometime I will show you inside there, and it is filled to the brim with beautiful dishes that I've collected. This little pie safe or pastry case was my mom and dad's, and it has a great spot on the island there, and we keep our pastries in there. It's a very beloved piece of furniture. The 2 bowls atop there are both Simon Pierce, and one was from the Goodwill and one was from an estate sale. Both of them were under $8, and they're huge and gorgeous. There's 2 more of those light fixtures. I was lucky I was able to find 3 of them that are exactly the same from the marketplace. The island has some storage, including a spot for cookbooks, And another little spot for some more things that I can display that I picked up on the thrift shop, some dishes that I use only occasionally. And the stool is a temporary one. We actually bought one at a thrift shop that is more of an industrial stool, but it needs a little bit of work, and we haven't quite gotten to that yet. The color of the cupboards is really kind of a teal blue, kind of a dark, it's more of a, actually it's not really teal, it's more of a dark gray blue, and it plays off from the wallpaper really beautifully. I hope you enjoyed that look at our kitchen and family room area of our house. If you would like more room tours and house tours, drop us a note in the comments. If you haven't subscribed, please do, or share with some friends who you think might like this content. We appreciate your viewing, and we look forward to seeing you in the next video.